Elizabeth account. Date, particulars, general folio, amount. Date, particulars, general folio, amount. The next ledger is Elizabeth account. Where does it appear? Elizabeth account first appears on 25th, then on 31st. On 25th, 2017 January, 2017 January, right? On 25th, Elizabeth appears on the credits. So, on 25th, I mean debit. To Elizabeth appears on the debit. What is coming along with Elizabeth? Sales. So, to sales account. The amount is 72,000. Right. The next, Elizabeth on 31st appearing on the credit side. That is on 31st by what is coming along with that? Cash. So by cash account, the amount is 22,000. No more entry for Elizabeth account. So we can close. This greater total 72, there only 22, therefore you write the greater total. The balancing amount is 50,000, that is missing amount. Against it you write by balance, carry down. The opposite side you can write to balance brought down. $50,000. For carried down as usual, the last date of the month, and for brought down next month, first date. With this, Elizabeth ledger is over. Then, the next ledger, after Elizabeth account, the next account is salaries account. Salaries account. This salaries account appear on the debit side. So 2017 January 30th. January 30th. On the debit side only it appear. What is coming along with the salary is cash. So, to cash account. What is the amount? 7,000. no more entry for salaries, therefore we can close the ledger. Here 7,000 total, here 0. You write the greater total on both the sides. Here the missing amount, that is the balancing amount is 7,000. So we write it here to balance carried down. The opposite side to balance brought down. The same carried down amount. For carried down the last date of the month, for brought down next month first date. With this salaries account ledger is over. Now we shall pass on to the last ledger, commission account. Ledger. Commission account. Commission account. For commission account, 2017 January, 2017 January. Where the commission appears on the credit side. So the entry will be on credit side, 31st, by what is coming along with the commission? Cash. Therefore, cash account by cash account. The amount is, the commission is 2,800. No more entry for commission. Therefore, we can close the ledger. Here 2,800, here 0. Therefore, you write the greater total on both the sides. Here is the missing amount. How much? The entire 2,800 is missing. What is the last date? This we should write the balancing figure to balance carried down. And opposite side balance brought down. The same carried down amount. If carried down last date and brought down the next month first date. So far we have seen in the books of Ratnakumar all journal entries. That what we have seen in chapter number 3. And in the books of Ratnakumar, we have preferred all these 10 ledger accounts. That what we have seen in chapter number 4. Now we are going to prepare the trial balance. The trial balance we are going to prepare. Serial number, particulars, ledger folio, debit balance, credit balance, date. This is serial number, particulars, We are going to write the items from ledger only, therefore ledger folio, debit balance, rupees, credit balance, rupees. Only for ledger account we write debtor and creditor on the end, that is at the ends of that is at the extremes. But journal and this trial balance are statements. So in the books of Ratnakumar, trial balance as on 31st January 2017. So when we are preparing the trial balance on the last date of the accounts. So this is first. See the format, serial number, particulars, ledger folio, debit balance rupees, credit balance rupees. This is the format of trial balance. And how many ledger accounts are there? There are 10 ledger accounts, therefore put 10 serial number. How I am preparing, listen carefully. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 serial numbers. And what are the 10 accounts? Write them. 1 cash account, 1 cash account. Second ledger, Ratnakumar's capital account. Then number 3, furniture account. Number 4, purchases account. Number 5, Jayanti account. Number 6, purchases return account. Number 7, sales account. Number 8, Elizabeth account. Number 9, salaries account. Number 10, commission account. So, how we are preparing the trial balance? This is coming under this chapter number 5, trial balance. We are first writing in the books of the name trial balance as on, that is last date of the account, this January 31st we have written, right? And the format, serial number, particulars, ledger folio, debit balance, credit balance. Here serial number, how many numbers we will put, how many ledger accounts are there? There are 10 ledger accounts, I have put 10 number. And against the serial number I have written all the accounts. Cash account, Ratnakumar's capital account, furniture account, purchase account, so on to commission account. Ledger folio, we don't write anything, you know. So, the rest of the work is the debit balance and the credit balance. Here only we should see the ledger balances and we should write against it. Where we should write down either this column or this column. That only we should decide. In this we can see in the first ledger cash account where the brought downs are there. Where the brought downs. For cash account the brought down is on the debit side, that is 5,33,000 on the debit. We should write the amount. How we should write the amount? From the balances brought down. Balances brought down எங்க இருக்கு? For cash account on the debit. It is given therefore. And then Ratna Kumar's capital account brought down on the credit side. Therefore, on the credit you write the amount. You understand how we should write the amount? Brought down debit la irundha amount debit la eludum. Brought down credit la irundha amount credit la eludum. That's all, very simple thing. Then for furniture, the brought down is on the debit side. Therefore, you write on the debit side. Then for purchases, the brought down is on the debit side, 35,000. Then for JNT account, the brought down is on the credit side, 22,500. 22,500. Then for purchases return account, brought down is on the credit side, 2,500. And for sales account, brought down is on the credit side, 1,04,000. And for Elizabeth account, the brought down is on the debit side. So you write the amount on the debit side. Then for salaries, debit side, to balance brought down is debit side 7,000. Then commission on the credit side 2,800 on the credit side. So how the entries are made here? Brought down is debit, the amount will be written on the debit balance. If the brought down is on the credit, the amount will be written on the credit side. Very simple. Brought down debit la mudichirundanga அந்த லெட்ஜர்ல கேஷ் அக்கவுண்ட்ல டெபிட்ல போகும். கிருஷ்ணகுமார் ரத்னகுமார் கேபிட்டல் வந்து brought down கிரெடிட்ல இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த அமௌண்ட் கிரெடிட்ல போகும். Brought down, this is very important. Brought down, where the brought down is. Likewise, we have selected all these 10 items and I have written the serial number first and write all the amounts here. These two are very simple. What are the amount for which the ledger is prepared? What are the accounts? So I have written it. Now the posting should be made there. We should write the amount. Where அதான் நமக்கு பெரிய task it is. Debit எழுதுமா, credit எழுதுமா. That is the thing. For that what we should do? Where the brought down appears in the ledger. If the brought down appears in the ledger on the debit side, you write it on the debit. If the brought down appears on the credit side, write the amount on the credit. Now you find the total. $6,31,000. Here, is there any? Then this is 800. 6,31,800, that both the side total must be equal. Then only we can say the accounts are correct. If the totals are not equal, the account what we have prepared, we have passed already, no? Journal entries we have passed, we have prepared ledger account. We have done some mistake somewhere. So you can find, you can check the amount. 5,33,800 the first amount. We did not write that 800 here. So 5,33,800 is the cash account balance brought down. So in that case, we can write this. So 6,31,800, we get equal total. Therefore, what we have prepared, our journal entries are correct, our ledger accounts are correct, and the trial balance shows the equal total. Therefore, the accounts what we have prepared is correct. We shall continue the rest of the trial balance in the next class. Okay, thank you.